Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the AC compressor are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, or that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So for the AC compressor guys, okay, which fuses and relays we need to check? We'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Tahoe right here. Now guys, Chevy Suburban is the same way, practically the same vehicle. They're built on the same platform. The only difference is the Suburban is a little bit longer. What you guys need to do now, first we need to open the driver door. Open guys the driver door on the side of the dash. On the driver's side you have that cover. Remove it. Behind it you have a fuse box that has a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to 2 different fuse boxes and check 2 more things. So if we zoom in a little bit, okay, so you can clearly see things. What we guys have here, first you need to check fuse number 24. It's a double fuse guys, and we're talking about this fuse right here, very important fuse. It's hard to find, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from. Another thing guys that you need to check will be fuse 28. So 28 guys will be another double fuse right here that you need to check. After that you need to come and open the passenger door, and on the side of the passengers, on the side of the dash, on the side of the dash on the passenger side guys, you have another cover. Remove it and boom, another fuse box just like this one. Here what we need to check, right here we need to check that fuse right here, important fuse as well. Now guys, things get even more interesting. Open the hood now. Here on the driver's side you see next to the brake fluid reservoir you have a fuse box. Open it, that's the main engine fuse box. You will see many relays, but guys, actually none of these are for the AC compressor, AC clutch, air conditioner. However, if you take that fuse box apart, on the bottom side you have some relays that are non-serviceable. They are practically welded to the board guys. Okay, you will have a relay right there. I think it's known as relay K8. It's numbered K8, but you need to test all of them if you decide to flip it and you get to these relays. But it's a little bit hidden, but it's there for any of you needing help with that and finding it as well guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.